Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for movies or browse for movies or series by language on a Netflix. So I'm currently on my PC, so I'm showing you the PC version, but you will be able to easily follow through as well on a device as well, like your TV or so forth. So it is pretty straightforward. Once you learn it, what you have to do, then you will be able to explore the TV version or the mobile version, and you'll be able to identify what, where, and you just know what to do, right? So on the PC version, you want to look for the many options once you sign in, and you will see browse by language at the top. You click on that, then from here it is showing the original language, but you can simply go ahead and click the drop down and you can choose whatever language. So if I choose, for example, Czech, you will see that it now shows me movies that are currently in Czech, right? So as you can see here, it's showing me some movies right here, and I can scroll down, and these are the movies that I will be able to see that are currently in the Czech language. So if I want to see movies that are probably from Finland or Finnish, I can do that as well, and it's showing me those Finnish movies as well. If I want to know French movies, I can see that as well. So here I can see French movies and so forth. Anything that has to do with French doesn't mean that the language is going to be French. It just simply means that these are either movies that are in French language or related to French in any way, and that's it. So the movies could be that they're in English but they're filmed in French, or it's a French tale, or it's a French series, or whatever it might be. So that's basically what it means. So the language simply means that what country the movie or series is based around. So it could be that it's a French series, or it could be that it's a the movie was filmed in France or something like that, right? So you get the idea. Now, the preferred language, right? If you select a preference in terms of language, so let's say I leave this in English and I click the original language drop down, I can choose this. This has to do with the dubbing. So if it has the subtitle or something, you can go ahead and make these changes as well, and it will show you. So this is going to make it slightly different. So let's say I want movies that has dubbing that is going to be in not English but Czech. I can do this, and it's going to show me something else. It's going to show me movies that I can do that dubbing in. The same it goes for the subtitles. I'll be able to see movies that can allow me to see in that as well. So it will tell me if the movie has that subtitle available. So if I click on French, I will be able to see movies that I could see that gonna have French subtitles. But to be honest, most of the times, all of the movies on Netflix, you'll be able to see the dubbing or the subtitles because you can change this from the feature in Netflix. But I think for you, the most important thing is that you learn how you can find those movies related to the country. And it's by keeping the original language while you change the basic country here or the language. So it's going to somehow. But I think the best thing is for you is to know where you can find or browse by language so that you can find movies related to a specific language or country or something like that, right? And that's pretty much it, guys. Now, you also have the sort by. This could be suggested for you, or you can just do the yearly release, or you can do A to Z, or vice versa. So ascending order, descending order, whichever way you want to call that, right? But guys, this is pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.